In this video, we're going to be looking at currency conversions. So if you have to convert from one currency to another, you multiply by the exchange rate. If you need to do the reverse conversion, you divide by the exchange rate. So a good thing to help you remember this, if you're going out of your country, you're multiplying. If you're coming into the country, you're dividing. Okay, let's have a look at this question here. So John went to London for the weekend. He wanted to change €500 into pounds. How much pounds did he receive? All right, so he's going out of the country. So he's going out of Ireland. If we have our exchange rate, so if he's going out, he's going to multiply. So 500 times 0.86, and that is equal to 430 pounds. When John was coming back to Ireland, he had 80 pounds. Then he changed this back into euros. How much did he receive? So now he's coming back into Ireland. So we're going to have 80 divided now by 0.86. And that is equal to 93.023. And we're dealing with money, so we'll round it to 2 decimal places. So we have 93 and 2 cents. Now, the Exchange Bureau at Dublin Airport charged John 3% commission to change the money back into euro. How much money did he receive after this deduction? Right, so what we're going to do is the 93 and 2 cents, we need 3% of that. So I'm going to multiply it by 0.03. 3% as a decimal will be 0.03. And doing that then, that will be 2.7906. So I'm just going to keep it as that for the moment. I won't round just yet. So if that's the 3%, so then we're going to take this away now from the €93 and 2 cents. So minus 2.7906. So subtracting then, now we have 90.2293. And so we're dealing with money, so again 2 decimal places. So after the deduction, he has €90 and 23 cents. Okay, in this question, a Mexican tourist paid 84,000 pesos to an Irish travel agent for a holiday in Ireland. The cost of organising the holiday for the travel agent was €2,900. Work out in pesos the profit made by the travel agent if €1 equals 24 pesos. Alright, so there's a few steps to this question. First of all, the 84,000 pesos, we need to convert that into euro. So let's divide by our exchange rate. So 84,000 divided by 24, and that is equal to 3,500. So that's 3,500 euros. But then we're told that the cost of organising the holiday was 2,900 euros. So that means there's a 600 profit for the travel agent. So 3,500 minus 2,900 is €600, and that's what the travel agent makes. But we're asked to work it out in pesos, so then let's do 600 multiplied now by 24, because we're going out of the country again. So when you're going out, you multiply, so 600 then by 24, and that'll get us 14,400 pesos. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at a past exam question that came up in the Junior Cert before. So Patrick was paid £200 sterling for the weekend, and he converted the money to US dollars. Then the exchange rates are shown below, and we need to work out how many US dollars Patrick got for his £200 sterling. Now, there's no direct conversion from the pounds to the dollars. So what we're going to do first, we're going to convert the £200 into euros. So the pounds to euros. And now we're coming into euro, so we're coming into Ireland, so we're going to divide. So 200 divided by 0.88, and that is equal to 227.27. And on your calculator as well, you'll see that it can also be written as a fraction, as 2,500 over 11. Now, that's it in euros. And now I can go from euros to dollars. So I'm just going to use the fraction version because there are more decimals here you'll see in your calculator, and I don't want to round too early. So if I have it as a fraction, it's in an exact form, so I want my answer to be as accurate as possible. So the 2,500 over 11, that's the euros. Now multiply by the exchange rate, which is 1.18, and then that is equal to 268.1818. Now it's the nearest cent, so that would be $268.18. So just to go through that again, we had £200 sterling, we had to convert it into euros, so we divide it by the exchange rate, and we're dividing by this exchange rate because we're going from sterling into euro. Then we have our amount. I used a fraction because I wanted to be as accurate as possible, and then my amount in euros times the conversion rate to go to dollars, and then round 2 decimal places because it's corrected near a cent, and that's it.